Dear students, welcome to this YouTube channel Socio Classes. Today we are going to discuss Syllabus BA BSc Journal first year first semester English elective. Maximum marks 100. Theory paper is 90 marks. Internal assessment 10 marks. Time 3 hours. Section 1. The following units from Fluency in English Edition Pramodini Verma, Mukti Sanail, Tulika Prasad, New Delhi, Macmillan, India, 2009. The prescribed texts are recommended for first semester. Units 1st, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 12th, 14th, 16th, 17th. Literary terms: ballad, sonnet, ode lyric, elegy, dramatic monologue, interior monologue, blank verse, free verse, mock epic, metaphysical conceit, negative capability, egotistical, sublime, fancy, imagination, irony, paradox, ambiguity, alteration, assonance, imagery. Testing pattern. Unit 1st. It shall be on literary terms, concepts. 8 terms shall be given in all, and the students will be required to do 5 in not more than 50 to 60 words. 15 marks. And second question is, the examiner will set 12 short questions to be answered in not more than 30 to 40 words. From Fluency in English, the prescribed text out of which a student shall be expected to attempt any 10. 15 marks. And third question is, the examiner shall give 2 passages from the anthology Fluency in English along with 5 questions. The student shall be expected to attempt only 1 passage of the 2. In other words, this question shall have internal choice. This question shall test the comprehension, critical acumen, and the presentation skills of a student. 15 marks. And section B is question 4th, letter writing, official, 10 marks. And 5th question, applied grammar. First, voice, direct, indirect, transformation of sentences, simple, complex, compound. And B part is articles, prepositions, conjunctions, 10 marks. And 6th question is vocabulary, antonyms, synonyms, use of words, phrases in sentences, 10 marks. With this, we come to the end of today's video. Next time, we shall discuss another video. Thank you so much.